Hey guys, today I'm going to answer a very commonly asked question. What programming language should I learn in 2017? Okay, that's my intro, I guess now. Stole it from GMM, I just ripped it straight off. First things first, with programming languages there are front-end and back-end languages. Front-end is typically considered HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and often PHP. There are other things that could fall into that category, such as Python with Django. Along with those languages, there are libraries, plugins, and frameworks like Angular, React, Backbone. I'm sure you've heard of many of them. There are also back-end languages. Python, Ruby, Java, C++, C#, Objective-C, Golang, MATLAB, even binary. There's tons of them out there. So many languages. Now, the most common reason why people ask this question is because they don't want to waste a ton of hours learning a language that either won't matter or that they're not going to be able to use in a job. And then you have to learn a whole nother language. First, you should know that I love JavaScript. JavaScript is so versatile, it can be used as a back-end language with Node.js or a front-end language, scripting straight for the browser. So that's why I love it, super versatile. JavaScript has a ton of frameworks and a huge community around it, but it is primarily a front-end language. I love front-end. On the other side of things, I also appreciate back-end languages. Now, the real answer to the question, which language should you learn? It doesn't matter. Start somewhere. Any programming language will teach you how to learn programming languages. It's a skill that you learn first. And along with that, you will have the concepts, things like variables and functions and different methodologies that you would use, like for loops and things that I haven't yet covered in my channel. But all of those things are pretty consistent in both front-end and back-end languages. The biggest difference is something like HTML and CSS, which many wouldn't even consider a programming language, but is a huge front-end skill to master. If you like problem solving and math, typically people like you would go towards back-end languages. Python is amazing with math and is used to build a lot of AIs and is used in so many places. Things like Java and C++, any C-based language, has been around for a long time and will be around for a long time as far as I can tell. Objective-C is used to build iOS applications. So if you're an app person and always have an app idea, maybe look into that. It's a little more difficult than, say, something like JavaScript. Java is also used in building Android apps. So you can use that in many situations. If you're a visually creative person, want to work with the user interface, graphics, images, layouts, the UI UX of the website, definitely go the way of front end. That's typically your HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and maybe PHP. But again, the simple answer is it does not matter. It doesn't matter which one you do. You'll learn all the same similar skills with just a little bit different keywords and syntax, and if you choose to learn another language later, it will be that much easier for you. I promise it will pay off no matter what language you learn, as long as it isn't Esperanto. I'll put a ton of links in the description for somewhere to get you started no matter which one you choose. Just start looking around. That's the only way you're gonna really find out what you're passionate about and what you wanna do. So go ahead, description, comment on the video, give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and make sure to subscribe if you're interested in the front end side of things. If not, I'm probably not gonna cover it, besides maybe Node.js. So just hold on for that. All right, see you later guys. I love you.